Aslin. Now we're gonna start with the first question. Describe the home screen items on both Android and iOS platforms. First, we have the status bar for Android home screen. It shows the important information such as the time, battery level, signal strength, and notifications. Next are the app icons. These are shortcuts to open applications like phone, message, or camera. Then we have widgets. They are small interactive tools that shows live information such as the clock, weather, or calendar. At the bottom, we can see the dock. This is the fixed area that holds your most used apps for quick access. Then we have the navigation bar or gestures to help us go back or go home or switch between apps. Then we have the wallpaper as a background image that can be changed or customized by the user. Lastly, we have the Google search bar to give us quick access to Google search or the voice assistant. These are the main parts that make our smartphone home screen organized, simple, and easy to use. Now, moving on to the iOS home screen. First, we have the status bar, which displays important information such as the time, signal strength, and battery percentage and Wi-Fi or mobile data status. Next are the app icons. These are the shortcuts to open applications that are installed on the device. Then we have the dock, which is the bottom area of the screen. It holds our most frequently used apps like phone, Safari, message, or music. Then we have widgets, are interactive panels that show live information such as the weather, calendar, events, or battery level. Next, we have folders, group to related apps together, like socials, games, or utilities to keep the home screen organized. Next, we have the control center that can be accessed by sweeping down from the top right. It provides quick access to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or flashlight, brightness, and volume. And lastly, we have the notification center is opened by sweeping down from the top. It shows alerts, reminders, and notification from the apps. And these are the main parts of the smartphone interface that help users manage their apps and setting easily. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Amira. Now let's talk about how to manage apps and widgets on mobile devices, specifically on Android and iOS. Starting with Android, first open the app drawer, long press the app you want, and drag it to your desired home screen. To add widgets, long press on any empty area of the home screen, then tap Widgets, choose one and drag it where you want. You can also adjust the widget size by holding and dragging its edges. Next, for iOS, long press any app until the icons start to wiggle. Then simply drag the app to your preferred location. To add widgets, long press on an empty area, tap the plus icon, choose a widget and tap on the add widget. This feature helps users personalize their devices for easier access and better productivity. Next, let's look at how to move apps or widgets between screens on both Android and iOS. First, tap and hold any app until all icons start to wiggle. Then drag the app icon towards the edge of the screen. The screen will automatically switch, then just drop the app on the new page. Tips: you can also use the Edit Pages view, the dots above the dock, to rearrange or even hide entire home screens. This helps keep your apps better organized across multiple screens.
Hi, I'm Shazwani. Now I'll be explaining about creating and managing folder. For Android, to create a folder, hold an app and drag it onto another app. You can rename the folder and add more apps by dragging them into it. To remove an app, simply drag it out of the folder. For iPhone, touch and hold an app until it jiggles and drag it onto another app. A folder will be created automatically and you can rename it if needed. You can add or remove app by dragging them in or out of the folder.
Hi, I'm Nur Danisha Farhana. Next, I'll explain how to uninstall or remove apps on both Android and iOS devices. Let's start with Android. There are two common methods to remove an app. The first one is by using the home screen or app drawer. Simply tap and hold the app icon until a small menu appears. Then, select uninstall and tap OK to confirm. The second method is through the settings. Open your phone settings, go to apps or apps and notifications. Choose the app you want to remove, tap uninstall and confirm your action. Now, for iOS or iPhone users, the steps are quite similar. From the home screen, tap and hold the app icon until it wiggles. You'll see a minus sign or remove app option. Tap delete app to uninstall it completely. Alternatively, you can go through settings, go to general, then iPhone storage. From there, select the app you wish to delete and tap delete app. By knowing this step, user can easily free up storage space and keep their devices organized for smoother performance.
Now, to conclude our presentation, personalized home screens make our smartphones much easier to use. When we know how to manage apps, widgets, and folders properly, it helps us navigate faster and stay more focused, no matter if we're using Android or iOS. We can always design a clean and organized interface. This kind of setup really supports our online learning's success and helps us work more efficiently.